guys. Oh my god, the sun is too much. I don't want to talk too much also. I just want to give you a quick tour of my Airbnb here in Diani. So you walk in through this gate. It's very secure. And then the moment you walk in, this is what you find. The place is called Darad Apartments, located off Beach Road in Diani. Look at all these guys. The place is very, very green. It's very calm, guys. Oh my god. And it looks like a palace because of the white color that has been used on the exterior. So let's walk around and just check it out so that you can, I just want to show you a better view of this place. So look at this. So they have different rooms. So that is a family room. It can accommodate a family. I don't know how many, I'm not so sure. Look at all this grass. The plants. And then of course it comes with a swimming pool. There's a baby pool over there. Then this one is for adults. Let's walk closer to the swimming pool. So these are my sandals. I was swimming here a while back, so I forgot them here. So this is the adult pool, and then the other small one is the baby pool. And then look at this. The architectural design of this place is top notch, guys. So if you book the room upstairs, you'll have your own balcony overlooking the swimming pool. How nice can that be? Honestly, I just love this place. Darad Apartments, located off Beach Road in Diani. They have rooms as low as 2500, like the one I took. I'll show you my room in a bit. Hello, you're good? I was talking to a kid over here, but I didn't want to show because of consent. So this is how the place looks like from this other side. Can you just move a bit, Toto, so that I don't take your video? Yeah? This other side. Sorry. No, actually just move toward the end, and then after I finish taking the video, you can come. So this is how the place looks like from this angle. All right, now I want us to walk over to my room and get to see how the 2500 rooms look like. Let's go. Once again, this is the Darad Apartments. What I like the most about this place is the fact that the rooms are very, very, very clean. They have cleaners all over. Like right now, the rooms are being cleaned. You can see. Okay, let's just walk closer to that and see. There's a laundry basket over there. So the rooms are just being cleaned. They get cleaned every day like a normal hotel. Every day they change the sheets, they wash them. Yeah, so cleanliness here is top notch. It's a priority. So these are the 2500 rooms. Okay, my room is not really clean. It has not been cleaned since morning. They started with the rooms over here, so I'm just going to show you one of the rooms here. They're just the same size. Yo, and look at this door. It is a sliding door. if you want that. You can also push the whole of it if you want. So when you walk in, this is what you find. Look at that bed, guys. Look at that bed. Of course, it comes with a fan. Mombasa is Coast is very hot. We're in Kwale County. The window is it's also very spacious. It's big. Actually, I love big windows. Yep. So this is what you find. Let's check out another room and see whether it's the same. I don't know whether I think there's someone here. You can see myself on the mirror. I'm actually from swimming, so that's why I have my swimming costume and my wrap on. I told you guys they're doing cleaning, so there's someone who's cleaning. Room number 2. Mine is room number 1. See how this place is very spacious, guys. You can have your friend here. Just set up as a small table here and then have some good time. You can chill. Ooh. And in the morning, I actually saw some monkeys over here. They like eating these guavas. They're the ones who keep eating and throwing these guavas down here. Yeah. So this place also acts like a parking area. So if you have a vehicle, this is the parking area. So that is the direction where we came from. You can see the main gate. Once again,